Feelings vocabulary. Happy, happy. Feeling good and full of joy. I feel happy when I eat ice cream. She is always happy in the morning. Sad, sad. Feeling unhappy or in pain. He felt sad after the movie. Don't be sad, everything will be okay. Angry, angry. Feeling mad or upset. She was angry about the broken phone. Don't talk to him when he's angry. Excited, excited. Feeling very happy and full of energy. I'm excited for the party tonight. The kids were excited about the trip. Tired, tired. Feeling like you need rest or sleep. I feel tired after work. She was too tired to cook. Nervous, nervous. Worried or afraid about something. He was nervous before his test. I get nervous when I speak in public. Surprised, surprised. Feeling shocked or amazed. She looked surprised by the gift. I was surprised to see him there. Scared, scared. Feeling afraid or worried. I was scared during the storm. He is scared of spiders. Lonely, lonely. Feeling alone and sad. She felt lonely in the new city. He was lonely without his dog. Confused, confused. Not understanding something? I was confused by the question. He looked confused in class. Calm, calm. Relaxed and peaceful. She stayed calm during the test. The sea was calm today. Proud, proud. Feeling good about something you or someone else did. I'm proud of my progress. They are proud of their son. Shy, shy, not comfortable around new people. She is shy in front of strangers. Don't be shy, say hello. Bored, bored. Not interested or having nothing to do. I was bored at the meeting. He gets bored easily. Jealous, jealous, wanting what someone else has. He felt jealous of her success. Don't be jealous, you're great too. Hopeful, hopeful, thinking that good things will happen. She is hopeful about her exam. We are hopeful for peace. Embarrassed, embarrassed. Feeling silly or ashamed. I felt embarrassed when I fell. He was embarrassed to ask. Grateful, grateful. Thankful and happy for something. I'm grateful for your help. She felt grateful for the gift. Relaxed, relaxed. Not stressed or tense. I feel relaxed on weekends. He looks relaxed after the massage. Frustrated, frustrated. Feeling upset when things don't go your way. She was frustrated with the traffic. I get frustrated when I can't solve problems. What does nervous mean? A. Feeling sleepy. B. Feeling relaxed. C. Feeling worried or afraid. D. Feeling hungry. Which word describes someone who doesn't like to talk to new people? A. Angry B. Shy C. Calm D. Hopeful. If you are grateful, what are you feeling? A. Sad and lonely. B. Mad and jealous. C. Thankful and happy. D. Tired and sleepy. What's the opposite of calm? A. Tired B. Angry C. Relaxed D. Hopeful.